we'll guide you through how to set up lighting in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and start a new project, or open an existing one where you want to work on the lighting. Once you have your scene open, you'll notice a default light source. You can either use this or delete it by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. To add a new light, go to the top left of the viewport and click on the Add menu. Hover over Light, and you'll see options like Point, Sun, Spot, and Area. Choose the type of light that best suits your scene. For a natural daylight effect, the sunlight is a good choice. Click on your chosen light type and it will appear in your scene. To position it, you can use the Move tool by pressing G on your keyboard and dragging it to where you want it. To adjust the light's properties, select the light, then go to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the light bulb icon in the Properties panel. Here, you can adjust the strength, color, and other settings. If you're using an area light, you can change the size and shape to control how the light spreads across your scene. One important tip is to use the rendered view mode to see how the light affects your scene in real time. You can switch to this mode by clicking on the sphere icon in the top right corner of the viewport. This will help you make precise adjustments to the lighting. If you need more complex lighting setups, consider using multiple lights and experimenting with their positions and settings to create the desired mood or effect. Remember, lighting can dramatically change the look and feel of your scene, so take your time to get it just right. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.